And I'm back again, new video. So guys, as you all know, we are still in the midst of AFCON. So the tournament is still ongoing and it's quite going impressively. I mean, for other nations and other nations, of course. So yesterday, which was the 16th of January 2024, we experienced very competitive football. I mean, for the first game that we had Mauritania, which went up against Burkina Faso. They lost that game. Mauritania lost that game by 2-0, courtesy of a penalty from Bertrand Traoré. And then we also got to see in Namibia teaching the giants of Africa, Tunisia, a lesson. And they also got to beat Tunisia by a 2-0, courtesy of a header from Dion Hoto. And then moving on to the final game that we had yesterday, we got to see Imali thrashing South Africa by 2-0. So yes guys, those were the games for yesterday's AFCON. So you can share with me and tell me which player you thought that was the most outstanding for you yesterday. But then moving on from yesterday's games to today's games on the 17th of January, we have Morocco up against we have Morocco up against Tanzania, and then after that game later on we'll be having it DRC up against Zambia. So guys, those are the games for today. Only those two games. So please, if there's anything that you'd love to share with me, please drop it down in the comment section below. Thank you for your time. Until we meet next time, Jania Kumoya, Tako!